metrolink 876. You a dirty like for real, bro. You look like a hen with blue green.
Shut up, your crap is so lame, bro. Leave me alone and get a freaking life.
Oh my god, I'm dreaming right now. This girl named metrolink 876. This kid named metrolink 876. Dressed out like a green, light blue chicken coop. Stop talking to me.
Crash, crash,
Are
crash,
you
crash, crash.
crashing?
Yes, I am.
You wanna get loud, girl? Shut up, girl. You look like Velociraptor, the toilet bowl. With chicken. You're not a hen. You're stinking now. A museum. You came from a playground. No. You got arrested for eating your apple in a big butt. Water's built like an expired chug jug. Your name is chicken. Be quiet, boy. I'm not done, but you need to get your hippopotamus smelling. You nigga friends. I only date teens. I gonna call loud mom talking on phone.
Give it to me or else I will roast you back.
Oh, you think you can roast us back? Well, you can. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. You don't remember who I'm talking to. The metrolink CEO. I'm dead, bro. What you gonna say now?
You know what? I'm leaving.
Oh my god! She left! Oh my god, she left!
Player eliminated.